how this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this one I'm going to show you how you can assemble your NAV drive or SATA drive to the case of NAV or SATA. So here the screw, we have to lose this one. Put the screw one side, don't lose it. Take out our drive. Take out this one. Here is NAV drive inside. Take this out. As you see, I'm putting inside as this. Press a little bit pressure, and here we have the screw. You should lose before, but doesn't matter. Press there as this. Tight the screw here, put it back over as this exactly. Take the plastic off from here. Is done. Here we go. Tight properly, because if you not tight properly, it will. Now is perfect. I not feel anything. If I move, I don't feel anything. So this is the perfect way. Here we go, and you can use with your computer, with Windows, with Mac, wherever you want. So this is the way you can assemble one SSD M2 drive to your case. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.